and welcome to Stamping with Ian. You can find me on my blog stampingwithian.blogspot.co.uk and on various bits of social media. Today, what are we doing? Right, on-stage swaps. It's that time of year again. The time of year when thousands of Stampin' Up! Demonstrators from all over the world gather in various locations, meet up, learn new things, see gorgeous new products, and generally have a really fun time. I'm going to Birmingham for OnStage on Saturday. So my swaps, I've not made very many this year, as you can see. 25. I was kind of running short of time. It was anyway, a lot of issues. I won't go into them, but it's something simple that anyone can make. I'll just put these to one side and I'll open one up and show you what I've done, as it were. So basically, it's just a little pouch. There you go. A couple of tea bags and a couple of nice bits of, hopefully nice bits of chocolate. Okay, this really easy. Okay, one of our team members at a tea party we had earlier in the year bought this as a project, and I've kind of blatantly copied the measurements, but just changed them a little bit for the size of the stuff I was using. So what have we got? Right, well, first of all I need to change my glasses because I've got the wrong ones on. There we go. Right, I can see what I'm doing now. So you're going to need a piece of DSP. This is from the Tranquil Textures and it's gorgeous. Okay, this is 9.5 inches by 4.5 inches. Don't be too worried about the measurements, they'll all be on the blog post which will go with this video. So we're going to get our stamping scored out, hoping you can see the measurements. Yeah, lovely. And we're going to score on the long side here at 3 inches, 4.5 inches, 7.5 inches and 9 inches. And then on the shorter side we're going to score at 1.25. I chose 1.25 because that's roughly the size which we're going to use in our next step, which is on for the gift bag maker thingy. If I can find it. It's been a few days since I've been on here, you know. Here we go. Right, now all the scoring's already done. Yes, yeah, there you go. You can see it better there, can't you? All we're going to do now is we can do it either way. If you don't have one of these, you can just trim down with your stamping snips or any other scissors and just wedge in. Okay, but I'm going to use my gift bag maker. So we find our first score line, push it up, score line is there, and just punch. And we're going to do that on all of the score lines. Okay. And the last one. Okay, lovely. Get rid of the bits. And that gives us some nice rounded corners. Get your scissors. I'm still waiting for Stampin' Up! To bring back their big scissors. These are nice, these are Fiskars, but you know. Right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get our bone tool and just burnish all of the score marks, like so. Okay. Now then, assemblage. You get yourself some tear and tape. or your adhesive of choice. It needs to be quite strong. You can't really use Snell for this, sadly, because it'll probably come to bits. But you know, double-sided tape. If you've still got fast fuse, that would work. Wet glue, of course. You know, whatever you fancy using. Take up your strip, fold that over like so, and then just bring the two ends to meet. Oops, here we go. That's not quite level, isn't it? There you go. So I'll just re-burnish that. You didn't see that. Now that's the back. Okay, that's the back. So what we're going to do is we'll fold those in, put that one in. That's the front. So that edge will go over like that. So a bit more tear and tape. Bong, bong, bong. Just a scalpel. And just lift up the backing like so. There we go. And pull it off. And making sure it's all square. Lovely. Get your bone folder and just push it up so as to stick it. Then you can turn it over and flatten it down so it all sticks. Lovely. Right, that's the front. I've already pre-made this. This is a the 2-inch circle punch and the 1 3/4 circle punch, very vanilla tranquil tide, which is in here as well. A few bits of sparkly bits. Bung that on the front. There we go. Just put it in the middle. Look at that. Grab yourself a couple of tea bags. I've got a stack of these. Put them in. I don't have any more of those chocolates, but I've been out today and I bought some nice coins. So to go with your cup of tea, you can have a couple of bits of chocolate, and then push the sides in like that and squeeze. There we go. Get yourself a binding clip. This is my very last one. That's why I've only done 25. I wasn't able to order any more because the ones have arrived in time. And there we go. There's the one I've just done. And there's a couple of prototypes. Easy as pie. Have fun doing this project. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all again soon. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you at OnStage hopefully on Saturday. Bye for now.